Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A quick video, a very good video, at least for those people that want to invest on KuCoin. As you can see, they have their second anniversary and they are doing amazing stuff. As you can see, obviously they will offer a flash sale for BTC at 90% off. A total amount of $1.5 million will be available for us to grab at 90% off. Obviously they have other stuff like Kumax FOMO trading competition, they have Tron, they have Amino project and other stuff, but really I am interested only in the BTC 90% off flash sale. And this is what it says. Basically they will offer in one day at 21 hour, they will offer us $1.5 million, or let's say around 150 BTC to buy with 90% off. So basically this is a very good thing to hear. And yeah, it's going to be very tricky and very lucky if we are going to be able to be part of this flash sale. I say this because the demand is going to be very high. Obviously getting BTC with 90% off, it's not a thing that happens very much, or it doesn't happen at all. So yeah, you have to stay very careful. And I'm sorry that I couldn't make a video sooner because the time is very limited. And I say this because for all the people that don't already have a KuCoin account, you must have a KuCoin account and you must have at least KYC level 2 verification to be able to be part of this flash sale. So again, you have to open an account and you have to be at least KYC level 2, and you have to have at least 50 KCS or KuCoin shares, their native token, on your trading account. And obviously they have a minimum of 50 USDT and obviously a maximum per account of 750 USDT or Tether US dollar, which you can invest or buy BTC with 90% off. So I think that it's going to be difficult, but maybe we are going to get the chance to be part of this flash sale. And yeah, you just have to again open an account. If you want, you can use my referral link if you don't have an account. So basically if you decide to invest, you can help me a little bit. But if you have an account, make sure you have it verified on KYC level 2, and make sure that you have on your trading account at least 50 KCS or as much as you want to invest, up to 750 Tether US dollars. So you must have the equivalent amount in KCS, because only with KuCoin shares we are going to be able to buy BTC with 90% off in this flash sale. So make sure you have KuCoin shares into your account in a maximum value of 750 USDT, not 750 KCS, but you must have 750 USDT equivalent in KCS. So obviously they will announce the price for BTC and the price for KuCoin shares at 2 p.m. plus UTC time. So there we will know exactly what price we will get the BTC, and so you have to stay tuned for that. And the starting time is going to be 22 hours, 2200 September 16th. Again, UTC plus 8. If you want to check your time, your precise time with your country, make sure to Google it, UTC plus 8 in your country, so you know the precise time, because obviously UTC, not all the people are going to be on UTC plus 8. For example, I am on UTC plus 2 if I'm not mistaken, so for me it's going to be this hour in here 2200 is going to, or 10 at night is going to be 16 on the afternoon, or 4 in the afternoon. So you have to be very careful to calculate the hour. And I say this again because this flash sale is, at least in my opinion, is going to end if not in seconds, it's going to end in minutes, at least 1 to 2 minutes. I don't think it's going to get much higher than that, because $1.5 million in BTC, getting BTC with 90% off sale, is going to end very, very soon. I'm guessing it will last like 30 seconds. So personally, I don't think I'm going to be able to buy into this flash sale, but I really hope I do, and I really hope you guys can do it also. So again, open an account, KYC level 2 verified must be at least, and you have to have KCS or KuCoin shares into your trading account. Again, KuCoin shares has a main account and a trading account. So if you don't have your KuCoin shares like I do here, 262 in your trading account, you won't be able to buy BTC into this flash sale. So make sure, if you have them on the main account, transfer your KuCoin shares into your trading account before obviously the 22 hour or 10 at night on the +8 UTC hour. So make sure to be ready, because again, I'm pretty sure this is going to end in seconds, if not. So yeah, I wish you guys good luck, and I wish myself good luck, because again, I don't think I'm going to be able to get this flash sale, but I really hope I do, because yeah, 90% off, again, it's really good. Anyway, for all those people that are skeptic, you can check the price of KuCoin shares. It has gone up this 4 to 5 days, because obviously of this news. And as I told you, as I showed you at the beginning, they don't have only this one, they have KuMax, which they give away on the trading competition $100,000. They will give $150,000 in the Tron project. They will give 100,000 other dollars with Amino project, KuCoin $100,000 again, and Terra project $100,000 again. So you have VC's 21% soft staking return, Paul special campaign $40,000 giveaway. So you can, if you want, you can be part on all these amazing giveaways that they are doing. So definitely stay tuned, and I hope you guys get to be part at least on one of these giveaways in here. Okay, then that was it for today. I hope I was clear. Obviously you can ask on the comment section if you have any doubts on how to be part, but it's really easy. You just have to follow the steps in here and read carefully how it's going to be. So yeah, it's very easy. But anyway, you can contact me also on social media, and obviously I will try to guide you guys and help you with what you don't understand. But basically, yeah, again, it's really easy. Okay, then, thanks very much for watching, guys. As always, before we go away, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also turn on post notification, and like and share the videos, because it will help my channel grow. And yeah, as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.